welcome to another quick tutorial. I'm Jan from the Movecat support team, and today I'm going to show you how to change and upload another frequency converter file to one of your frequency converters in the vMotion. First of all, what you need is an fcPRGI USB cable. This is sold by Movecat and basically is a connection between the RS-232 thing and the frequency converter and the XLR connection in the back of the vMotion. So that's a dedicated cable which you need to have to establish the communication between the vMotion and your service laptop or whatever you're using. So in the back of the vMotion, you find a 3-pin XLR port, which is named FC data. You have to plug in that cable on this side, and on the other side, right in the USB port of your work laptop. Next, you have to download the Nordcon software directly from the Nordcon website. I will insert the link later. And if you're doing it for the first time, you have to make sure that the Nordcon software is looking on the right USB port for the communication. You find it under Extras. Sorry, mine is on German, but it should be located in the same place in every language. Extras, Communications, over here. And here you, on the port, you can pick the COM port. Should be COM3 usual, but you can see it here, serial port FTDI. That's the cable we are looking for. Select this one. And afterwards, you have to close it down. And then you have to do a bus scan. You can click Control F5 as mentioned here, or just first look for every online frequency converter. Let it look for now, and now you see one popped over here on the serial USS port. This one is that's the file, and we are pretending that you have been provided a new frequency converter file for your vMotion. So what you're doing next is you click on this one, go over here and find this one, the transfer to the device. Device in this case is the frequency converter. And then you should be asked for the file. In my case, it sits on the desktop over here. It's this one. Click on Open. And then it uploads the new file to the frequency converter. It can take a minute. Here we go. So, and basically that's it. Please double check to shut down the vMotion afterwards and start it up again and see if it actually stored the file, because from time to time, I'll just open this one, all parameters, no, I don't need all parameters, but if we go to the Speicher mode, store mode, we see the actual settings is store in RAM and EEPROM. This is correct to have it stored also in the EEPROM. From time to time, the files just sit on just in RAM, but then it's forgotten when you reboot the vMotion. So make sure when you get a file, usually it sits on RAM and EEPROM, make sure it is configured to RAM and EEPROM before you send it, because otherwise it'll be just stored for the second. All right, that's it for the frequency converter. One more thing, if you want to check if the correct file is up there, you can navigate probably to parameter 105, maximum frequency. That is one of the points where the different drives we use differ in its value. So I don't know all the values by heart right now, but obviously this one has 84.3 hertz as a maximum frequency, and probably the old file on there would be 75 hertz. Yeah, so you can check what was the old value, what's the new value, to clearly spot if the new frequency converter file, which can be easily spotted and differentiated by this value, is stored on there. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact support@movecat.de, and we will try to help you out wherever you are. Have a good time, and see you soon.